So before we get into it, a few of the basic things you're going to need. So of course, boiling drum. You can get as fancy as you want with these suckers. This one's just a 10 litre one from Bunnings, steel bucket. You can get, like I said, as fancy as you want. You can go up to 44 gallon drums cut in half, tops cut off, all that kind of stuff. Mainly for your big animals like your buffalo and stuff. Long handled fencing pliers always come in handy. And of course something to sit your drum on and build a fire under. So you can build yourself a fireplace out of rocks, bricks, whatever. But I'll just use this old camping barbecue plate. And of course a water source. And because I'm not set up real well where I live, so I just use water containers. And don't forget your knives. G'day, how's it all going? Hope you're all having a great Sunday. It's a beautiful day here in far north Queensland. So while everyone else is heading up to Port Douglas markets to check that out, I decided it'd be a great day to come out here in the rainforest, just a little hobo camp that I come to, and set up all my boiling pot and stuff and boil out this nice malformed chital head that I got there the other week. So this has been sitting in the back of Toyota for about a week. She's getting pretty ripe, so the neighbours are loving me. And yeah, so it's about time to boil him out, get him down to the bone and put him in storage. So first up, usually we take the head skin off. If you're going to mount him, obviously you'll cape the deer out. In this occasion I'm just doing European mounts because of my space confines. So yeah, I took the head skin off. It's better to do that just straight away as soon as you get the animal, take your photos, whatever, gut him out. So yeah, take the head skin off, and then while it's still fresh as well, like within maybe half an hour of cutting the head off, it's a good idea to take the jawbone out as well. Just cut through the cheeks, up into the back of the skull, cut all ligaments and pop the jawbone out. But I had not much time to get it all done, so I just chucked him in the back of Toyota, like I said, for a week in a bucket of water. And so once rigor mortis has passed, then the jaw goes slack again as it starts to rot. So it's all pretty ripe here, you see the flies. So you can't be squeamish to be doing this. So the jaw is nice and loose, so what I'll do is I'll cut through the meat, pop the jawbone out and chuck him in the pot. And it takes down all the mucking around. You don't have to pull it out and get the jaw off once it's boiled. And because it's soaking up the heat, all that bone and meat that's on the jaw, it soaks up all the heat of the boil. So it takes longer to get down to the main skull. So yeah, I'll cut the jaw off and we'll crack into it. Cheers. And then there's the jawbone there, all cut out, chuck that away, and that's your skull there. She's pretty ripe, this one. That's pretty much ready to go in the pot. Just make sure you don't pick your nose with that hand. Give them a good clean. Cheers.